Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and I've got the privilege of showing you this brand new Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS Outboard. It's got the twin V12 600s. We just cut it out of shrink, so excuse any of the wrap you see. This starboard side gunnel will actually fold down in cove out mode. Nice transom loungers there, and of course the port side gunnel will also fold out, which gives you massive area for everybody to hang out. Great wraparound seating as we move forward. Vinyl super soft. We got the summer kitchen here. Trash can, great place for cleaning supply storage. Got your sink, cup holders, dual refrigerators, and both of these are this deep. Lots of space in there. Grill. These are air conditioning vents. Massive space here in the cockpit. Wireless phone charger, binnacles. Let's not forget our Axios joystick, which makes docking this boat a breeze. Dual SIMRAD screens. Here's all your button controls. Look at that visibility through that windshield. Protects you from the elements. Even these stools here have a nice backrest, and then you've got air conditioning vents there. Storage in both of these. And let's not forget about this great seating here in the bow. Here's the windshield. So option to have this open or close. If you guys would like to set up an appointment to come view this boat, please feel free to give us a call. My direct line is 573-606-3029. Ask for Jansen. Thank you and have a great day.